To get your makeup last you all day, follow these simple steps. Firstly, prep your skin to get that flawless base, which will eventually give you the flawless makeup look. Secondly, use a primer. A primer, in my opinion, is quite necessary to enable the makeup application to be flawless, to get you that even skin tone, and to make the makeup last longer. From my experience, I find that applying foundation over the primer, especially over your eyelids, gives you a more flawless look. Set creamy products with setting powder. So once you've applied your foundation, I advise you apply the setting powder over the top. And finally, finish your makeup application with some setting spray. And don't forget to take off your makeup before you go to bed. Never go to bed with your makeup on. Head over to my website peridotmakeupandbeauty.com for more handy tips and tricks and my favorite beauty pics. Thank you for watching.